All right, welcome back everyone to another update of my dividend portfolio. On this video, I'm going to show you guys the dividends that are coming in and have been paid. We're also going to go over some put options and call options that I do, and also we're going to purchase some stocks. So let's get into it. So right now we are down 344, 346. For the week, we are up 710. For the past month, we are up 2930. The 3-month mark, 49.08. 1 year mark, we are down 57.45. The 1 year, I'm sorry, that was year to date. The 1 year mark is 10,022. And overall, since we started the portfolio back in mid 2018, we are up 96.98. So I've been adding about 100, 150 a week, every week. You guys can go back on the videos and watch those. Sometimes we added more if we had more. But in also reinvesting all the dividend income that's coming in. So let's get started. So let's go with the options first. So the options that I've been doing are, the last one I did was AMC. That was this week. We sold a $12 strike price for this Friday. So there's a couple of days left this week. So we did make an average credit, as you guys can see there, $10. Now it's only worth $2. So we have a profit of $8 right now. So we could get out by buying it back, paying $2. So the leftover profit would be 8. So what I try to do on my options, to go over really quick, I sell cash secured puts, which is my money betting on the stock going down. And then I put up enough to buy 100 shares. So you have to have the money. Or if I have 100 shares, I sell a call option on the 100 shares that I have, stating that I would sell those shares at the end of the at a certain strike price. So that's what I've been doing. I have 200 shares of AMC, as you guys can see there, and I go to options here, and this is the Robinhood app. If you guys are interested, there's a link below. So then we pick a day that we want this to end by, or you can end it sooner by buying it back. So let's say we pick next week, which is next Friday, and AMC has it every Friday. Some stocks don't, or if you go to SPY, it's like every 2 to 3 days, I think, but that's too expensive. So let's get back into AMC. So let's say we want to sell a call option, 100 shares of AMC. So we pick a strike price on the left side there. You guys can see that we are selling. Well, let's start at the top. We pick the date for the ending date. At this, then we pick sell call, since we have 100 shares. So you see it switches over. So we're going to sell a call, and I like to stay within. I'll show you guys here the delta at the bottom there, bottom left. You see the Greeks delta 0.17. So I like to stay with zero point 0.2 or under. So if we pick 9.5, it's 0.21. So it's above what I want. So if I pick the $10 strike, it's a 0.7. So that means that it's not likely that it's going to hit the way the stock is trading. So if we go to $9, it's more likely to hit at 0.26 there. And as we go down the list at $8, 0.44, so that could hit by next Friday. So if it hits, it sells at that strike price that we chose, which is $8. If it's above, let's say it closes by next Friday at $9, you're still selling at 8. So please look into that. This is just what I do. So I like to stay within zero point 0.2 or lower. So, and I don't like to sell calls when the stock is down, but just to show you guys as an example, we're going to do a $10 strike for next Friday, the 25th, at a $10 strike, and it's going to pay us 15 cents per share right now. So the delta is 0.17. So we sell, this is just so you guys can see, I'm going to do it anyway. We can choose whatever we want to get paid right here at the price, but we'll go with the bid. It's 0.15. It says it's likely to hit or fill. So it's going to pay us 15 cents per share. It's going to give me $15. So we're going to review that. So by next Friday, we're going to put up our 100 shares, strike of $10, and we're going to get paid $15 for it. So let's swipe up, and I'll show you guys. And there it is. One contract filled. we were paid $15. AMC, $10 strike for next week. So if you're comfortable with selling at $10, great. I am. My average cost is $2.90, so I'm okay with that. So we did make another $15. So right now it's worth $16, but by if it doesn't even hit by this coming Friday or next Monday, we can always buy it back at less. I don't think it's going to hit 10, but so there it is. So we made $15 and it goes directly into the account. So we had $181. Now we're at $196 for the buying power. So that's kind of a quick thing. If you guys want to get into options, please do your research. I can also show you guys puts. I can show you that on a different video. So this one's not too long, but that's my call options that I like to do on AMC. I try to do them every week and get a little bit of money from it. So, all right. So if we go to the dividends that are coming in, so let's take a look here. We did for November, we were paid. Let's scroll down to the bottom there. QYLD, $51. Verizon, $30. AT&T, $27. JEPI, $75. JEPQ, $5.45. AGNC, $4. Stag, $5.48. AbbVie, 80 cents. Realty Income, $9.42. Main Street, $2.20. Those are all paid, and the pending ones we have are $6 from PSEC. Starbucks, $3.71. ARR, $1. And the next month is December, so those are already going to be listed there. You guys can see Ford, Intel, Pfizer, and Exxon are all going to be paying. There's going to be more in November that are not on the list right now that are going to be coming in, but I show you guys every week. I'll give you an update on that. So, all right, so now for the purchasing, we purchase 150 or more every week. So I'm going to add more Realty Income. And the reason is it's under my average cost. It's at $63.80 right now. And my average cost is $63.97. I'm gonna buy 3 shares. We have enough for 3. So we'll buy 3 more shares. Okay, so we have to make it a limit because we barely have enough money, just in case. Oops. We'll go at market price. Continue. All right, let's take a look here. Pick up 3 more shares of Realty Income here. Done. All right, there we go. The average cost only dropped a penny, and the reason for that, because of the price, it wasn't a big difference, and I do have now 41 shares of Realty Income. So, and Realty Income pays every month. I really like them. It's one of my favorites. So we're going to keep adding to it. And like I said in my last video, we're going to keep adding to JEPI as well. Maybe the goal might be 1,000 shares. We are at 127. They've been paying every month. So we're going to keep adding and we'll see how many we can get. I just don't want it to be the majority of the portfolio. 1,000 shares will be $55,000. So that's going to take some time. I have a total invested, I think almost 20%, 18% in this JEPI. So don't want to go over that. 20%, I think it'll be too much, but we'll see what we can do. But let me know what you guys think. Are you guys doing options? Are you guys doing dividends? What does your portfolio look like? Are you guys up, down? Most of us are kind of down right now. But put it in the comments and let me know, and I'll talk to you guys on the next one. Thanks.